Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA X30, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a home screen as an example for this, so it's already open. And you want to make sure that whatever you actually want to capture is visible on your screen. So, from there, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. And as you can see, it captures your screenshot, gives you a little pop-up right here for a brief moment with a share and edit option, which does disappear after a couple of seconds. Once it disappears, you can find it in your photo application. That's it. Disregard that. That's a screen recording. And as you can see, it's right over here. Screenshots. You press on it, and that is the screenshot. Now, assuming I'm lacking photos, I believe by default, usually you would have like categories at the bottom. With option for albums. If not, maybe it would be visible right here. I think I just have not enough photos for this to show up. I might be incorrect, but whatever the case is, if you see that, you can also navigate in there and you will find an album called Screenshots, where obviously you will find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. But anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.